Okay, so I have a Ford F150 Triton V8 5.4 liter, and the AC went out and broke. The AC pulley went out, broke the belt. Now I have to replace the belt, and I'm going to bypass the AC compressor. Okay, what you'll need for the replacement to bypass the AC, need a smaller belt. This is the one that Raby said to use, 6PK2020. I bought that, and I started to put it in there, but the belt won't fit past the pulley. Down here it rubs. So you actually need a pulley. This is the idler pulley. That's the number they say to use. It's a smaller pulley, and it's got the grooves. It also feels like cheap plastic. Okay, so we're going to work on replacing the idler pulley first. Looks like you'll need a 13 millimeter. 13 millimeter doesn't seem to go on all the way. It's really tight. 1/2 inch is tight. 9/16 is too big. 14 is too big. I think I'm gonna have to use 2 hands. All right, so I'm gonna work on taking off the bolt because I can't hold this. I'm gonna set you up there. All right, idler pulley's off. I'm gonna set this aside for later when I finally do decide to fix the AC. Put the new cheap plastic one on here. I'm not sure that I like the feel of that. Drop the phone in there. Ooh, look at that crisp focus. Put that 13 back on there. I think you need like 13 1/4. All right, so next for the belt, we got this 1/2 inch. I think they call that a breaker bar. Definitely mechanically declined. But we're gonna put this belt on. So if it has a groove on it, it's gonna go groove to groove. And if it's flat, like that down there, it's gonna go the flat side of the belt. It's kind of like a male to male and female to female. It's a little awkward, but it's a Ford. So far I got groove to the groove down there. It comes up, wraps around here, because I really don't know what everything is. It goes around this big one down here. That wraps around here too. I know this is the alternator, so it wraps around the alternator. Now I need to get it around the new one and this one, and that's where that 1/2 inch breaker bar comes in. Let's set you back up here. I think we'll take it off the alternator one. Maybe that'll be easier. Get it all wrapped around. Okay, I believe it's around all the grooves. Oi, oi, oi. Freaking got it. It looks like it's around all the grooves. So now we're gonna test this out as long as the battery's not dead. Quite possibly dead though. Oh no, it's not. Look at that. There we go. Belt is on and we've bypassed the AC, so the truck will work until I can replace the AC, so I can afford to replace the AC. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe so I can afford a new AC.